How to link credit or debit card to PayPal account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will learn how we can link debit or credit card to your PayPal account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up paypal.com and make sure to log in into your PayPal account. So once you land in your home page, navigate to this menu bar at the top of your home page. So from there you have to click on wallet. After that, on your interface, you will have an option to link your card. Click on Link a Card button. Now you have to enter your card details. So first of all, enter your debit or credit card number. Under that, select your card type by clicking on this drop down. And under that, enter your expiration date of your card. And then type in your security code from your card, which will be available at the back of your card as shown in this image. Under that, you have to enter your billing address. So make sure to type in your correct information regarding your credit or your debit card. And once you are done with that, click on Link Card. And with that, your card will be linked to your PayPal account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.